Hello everyone, we are Group 1 and I would like to present about Applied Materials. First, let's go through the company overview a little bit. Applied Materials is one of the global leading companies in materials engineering solutions for modern electronics, especially AI-powered devices, and it boosts the production of faster, smaller, and more energy-efficient technologies. Applied Materials makes the machines and technology that semiconductor companies use to build computer chips, and without companies like Applied Materials, chip manufacturers like Intel, TSMC, or Samsung cannot produce the advanced chips that power modern technology. The company's primary purpose is that it provides materials engineering solutions that enable the production of semiconductors, displays, and advanced electronics. It specializes in transforming and controlling materials at atomic and wafer scales. Its major markets is in the US, South Korea, Taiwan, China, and Japan. The company is driven by technological innovations such as smaller transistors or more advanced packaging. Applied Materials is aiming to broaden its market by engaging in related fields and exploring new market opportunities, so it started making investment in leading companies across the world. The Applied Materials was incorporated in 1967, and in the next 5 years it introduced the AMV 800D vertical epitaxial reactor system and AMV 300 decomposition reactor that launched the AMC 740 Isomax epitaxial reactor system. In 1975 it entered into a joint venture with Fairchild, and in 2004 it entered into a joint venture with Praxair Electronics. 4 years later it launched two key products for photomask and application. In 2011 it launched 5 different products in the same year. In 2013 it received 2 awards: 2013 IEEE Corporate Innovation Recognition Award and Intel's Preferred Quality Supplier Award. In the next few years, Applied Materials kept launching new products and received several awards. Most recently, in 2025, it acquired 9% stake in BE Semiconductor Industry N.V., a semiconductor company. This is the photo of Applied Materials when it was founded in 1967. There are a lot of entry-level technical jobs posted on Applied Materials career website right now, and three most popular one is waveguide design engineer, which requires designing and modeling nanophotonic devices, and this position puts you at the core of the AR world, working with design process metrology, customer teams, and many others to develop new waveguide product designs. Next position is FIB technician, with preparing samples for experiment, including sample coating, wafer clipping, mounting, unmounting samples, and preparing top for experimentation to evaluate the performance of the process system. The position benefits from a supportive work culture that encourages you to learn, develop, and grow your career as you take on challenges and drive innovative solutions for our customers. And one more position is automechanical design engineer. This is a job with in establishment and management of packaging suppliers and related processes and procedures. And this job developed test plans and performed laboratory testing on product packages and packaging materials.
What is the company most widely known for currently in news publications? Applied Materials cut roughly 1,400 employees to streamline operations. They made these cuts because of tighter U.S. regulations on exports that have been weighing down their company. They said in Q4 2025 alone, they'll lose $160 to $180 million. In other news, Applied Materials stock saw a 43.46 increase in the last year. The main reason for this becomes after semiconductors have been booming. What is the company's biggest strength, challenge, and opportunity? Applied Materials' biggest strengths are its market leadership in chip manufacturing equipment that's mainly been used for AI, as well as its diverse customer base, supplying all the top chip makers such as Samsung. Applied Materials' biggest challenges are the ongoing US and China export restrictions that severely limit their sales to key Chinese customers, as well as the rising competition from companies such as Lam Research, ASML, and Tokyo Electron. In the year 2025, the market share in wafer fabrication equipment for Applied Materials has stagnated at 19%, while the rivals have increased at maximum 4%. Applied Materials' biggest opportunities are AI and advanced packaging boom, driven demand for high-performance chips, as well as becoming the largest shareholders of BESI at 9%. BESI is a leading manufacturing assembly equipment for the semiconductor industry. They've been working together since 2020, but only recently in April of this year, Applied Materials have bought them for 9% of their company.
Applied Materials is not necessarily directly involved with either national security or the CHIP Act by the resources that I've been able to find. Predominantly, they have been they are in the equipment to making the equipment to make the chips. So while they aren't directly involved, what they do is because as the increased chip production from the other companies producing microchips build more facilities, there's an increased need for the manufacturing equipment, and thus that is where Applied Materials steps in primarily. Primarily, they will sell to other companies building these facilities, such as Apple and the Texas Institution. They are Applied Materials. It also has an impact on national security by providing chips for the military use in stuff like their rocket launcher, single-use rocket launching systems, and their airplanes. But again, they are not directly they don't directly design the chips for that purpose. They simply sell it. An interesting fact about Applied Materials is that they have over 22,000 patents so far. That number is sure to grow in the future. And that every year they spend $3.2 billion in research and development. This is a very large number and is part of the reason why they are on the cutting edge of technology. Here are all of our sources. Thank you. This has been Group 1's presentation, and I hope you appreciated it and learned something. Bye-bye.